I started this YouTube channel because I wanted teachers to see the amazing things that they could do when they brought technology into their classrooms. It was never about YouTube per se. YouTube was just a medium that I could use to get that message across. And since uploading my first video in September of 2019, we have either uploaded a produced video or done a live show every single week for about 118 weeks or so in a row without taking any breaks. And we've decided that it is now time for us to take a short break from uploading content to YouTube. One of the things I've realized over the last couple of years is that when you're following a strict publication schedule and you're focused on uploading YouTube videos every single week, all of your attention has to end up going to YouTube, which is not a surprise. But I've also found myself focusing actually a lot more on how do I make the best YouTube channel and less on my original goal, which was what is the best, most effective way to support teachers with becoming the 21st century educators that they want to be. And what's funny is that when I work with teachers, I actually often refer to one of the habits that Stephen Covey writes about in his book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. He talks about the importance of essentially stopping and looking at what you're doing, refining your systems, refining your practices, so that when you actually do go back and start working again, you'll be so much more efficient and effective. And I'm always telling other people that they should do that, and that's a reason why they should stop to learn how to use some of these new technologies, that it's going to benefit them so much in the long run. But I've actually had some trouble taking my own advice because I've really been so scared about what would happen if I did actually stop publishing a video every week for a period of time. The truth is that I am still pretty nervous about taking a break from YouTube, but I'm also really excited about the other work that we're doing to come up with the most effective way to help teachers learn how to build 21st century classrooms. Things like creating a teacher training platform that is fully experiential, where you would actually be doing hands-on activities in the actual programs that you're learning about. Things like using artificial intelligence to provide you with a whole other level of support as you're learning new programs. And we're even working on developing our own 21st century teacher certification program. So we're gonna take a strategic break from YouTube so that we can really focus on how to make this training platform as effective as possible and support you in the best way that we can in your journey toward becoming a 21st century teacher. If you want to follow along and see what we're up to, we're going to be posting regular updates on our website at newedtechclassroom.com/21st century teacher. In the meantime, I hope you're able to find some rest and rejuvenation over your holiday break, and we'll see you back here on YouTube in a month or so.